Hello. Good morning. Today I'll be teaching you how to download and install SWI Prolog and how to use it. First, open up your browser and type SWI Prolog. Click the first link you see. Click this tab right here and download the stable release because we want a stable version of the program. Uh, Choose your binary according to your operating system. For me, I have Windows 64-bit, so I'll be choosing this. Click I understand and then download. Wait for it to download. Click yes over here. Next, I agree. And choose your option according to your needs. I'll be using for the current user, and choose your folder where you want to install the program, and then press install. Wait for it to finish installing. Click finish, and now we have successfully installed the SWI prolog. Now search for the program. I'll be showing you how to write a basic program. Okay, to write a basic program, first we use the right syntax, and then within brackets we type in hello world. To end line we use a dot and then press enter. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Right, I wrote W over here, and now we have the output as hello world. Thank you for watching.